Welcome everyone to this video where we are going to learn about comparison operators in Python. Comparison operators in Python actually, when you have a true comparison or if the condition is true, it returns a Boolean value of true. Otherwise, it returns the Boolean value of false. False. We all know that in Python, the Boolean data type only has two values, 0 or 1, which is referred to as true or false. So true is 1, false is 0 in a normal understanding. So whenever we say true, it means that the condition is being fulfilled. If it is false, the condition specified is not being fulfilled. And comparison operators, there are 6 comparison operators right now in front of us. Equal to, where you see two equal signs, it checks if A and B are both equal. Similarly, we have this exclamation mark followed by an equal sign, which indicates not equal to. So if we want to check if A and B are not equal to, we will use this comparison operator. And similarly, greater than or less than. So if we have this greater than symbol, then it will compare if A is greater than B. If we have less than symbol, it will compare if A is less than B. And remember always, when the condition is true, for example, if the value of A is 5 and the value of B is 2, then 5 is greater than 2. It will be true. Similarly, for greater than or equal to, if A is greater than or equal to B, if we have this comparison operator, it will be returned true, otherwise false. And same goes for the less than or equal to. I have an example of code using all these comparison operators just for the understanding. Remember, it returns a Boolean value. The comparison returns a Boolean value. That Boolean value can be used for making decisions in the code based on defining some additional conditions or logic in the code. So it will be useful. Please do remember about these comparison operators. Now, if we have first condition is equal, so what we have just written, 5 equal 5. This is the comparison operator for equality. And if 5 and 5 both are, we can say, okay, 5 is equal to 5. So the result will be true, and true will be assigned to is equal variable. So this statement will print equal to true. So is equal will have a value of true. For not equal to, like 10 is not equal to 5, we will have a result of false. 7 is greater than 3, we will have a result of true. 2 is less than 8, we will have a result of true for this condition. Similarly, for a 5 greater than or equal to, yeah, this condition is true. And 4 less than or equal to 9, this condition is true. So for all of them, you will see that it will be printing the result to be true and true. But what if we want to check when the conditions can be false? So I just added a code cell by clicking B. B is just a control a short key. You can click it to add a new cell, or otherwise you can also click here on the code cell to add another code cell. Now, for example, we have a variable A equal 10 and B equal 3, and we want to compare them. And I say print A greater than B, and I'll print it. I just press Ctrl Enter to execute the cell. It's true. But if I say A is less than B and I run the cell again, it will print false, because the value of A is 10 and the value of B is 3. And when A is compared to be less than B, it's false. That is why we see the value false. In the similar way, if we even do it less than or equal to and run it again, it will still give us false. But what if I come back and change the value of A to 1 and then run the cell again? This time A has a value of 1, B has a value of 3. So A is less than or equal to B. So it returns true. So remember that we will always be seeing the result to be true or false for these comparison operators. And this will be very helpful for defining the logic in the program later when you are writing the code. And in the next video we will be actually learning more about the logical operators. Stay with me in the next video and you will learn more about these operators and how to use them. Till then, have a good day.